Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is Catherine Vargas and today we're going to be doing this very beautiful fall inspired look. I did do a nice little brown smoky eye. It's very beginners friendly, literally only had 2 products on the eye, so anyone can do it. And I don't know, just inspired by fall just because the weather is definitely getting chilly over here. Thought it was time to do these types of videos. Hopefully you guys love it. Let me know down below if you guys want to see more videos like this. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And without further ado, let's just jump right in. So I'm starting off with some primer. I'm taking the e.l.f. Halo Glow Primer. I believe the shade is light to medium, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply this to my skin. You guys are going to see here that it's going to leave a nice radiance to the skin, and it's really nothing like greasy. It just gives a beautiful glow. Then I'm going to go ahead and prime my lids because we are going to do eyeshadow first. The eyeshadow look is very simple, easy, beginner friendly. So I'm going to start off by taking this brown liner right here. And I'm basically going to draw a line right where my lash line is. And then I'm going to use a brush to go ahead and blend this out. I'm not blending up. I'm just smudging out the brown liner. You're going to see here when I open my eyes, because I do have a very hooded eyes, that it overtakes almost the entire lid, but that's kind of the look that I'm going for. Then I'm going to go ahead and just do the same thing to the other eye. Now I'm going in with Stacey Marie, the Antidote palette, and I'm just taking this brown shade, and you can literally take whichever brown shade you have. It's all going to work the same here, but I'm going to go ahead and pat that on my lid, and then I'm going to switch over to a blending brush to really smoke out this shade. And like I said, this is only a 2 product eye look. Really nice, easy, simple to do. Then what I'm going to do is just go back in with the liner just to re-intensify everything. And you can just basically repeat this process as much as you need until you're happy with how the eye looks. So I just did it 2 times here. Working on face now, I'm taking the Rare Beauty in 240W, just drawing some lines on my face. I wanted to show you guys how good this brush works. This brush is from Merit, and it just leaves a nice streakless foundation finish, like beautiful. Now going on to bronzer, I'm taking the LYS No Limit bronzer in the shade Harmony. It's such a beautiful shade. And you guys are going to see here that it blends out so easily. I'm using a Real Techniques blush brush, I believe. And you guys are going to see here that I'm patting the product in. I really want to keep this right where I placed it instead of just rubbing the product in. This just does what it needs to be doing when I do it this way. For blush, I'm taking the shade Love from Rare Beauty. And I just thought this would look really good with the eyes. It's just like a really beautiful terracotta shade, and then I'm basically just doing the same technique, just patting it in instead of just rubbing it in. Now we're going with some concealer. I'm taking the e.l.f. concealer in medium warm, and I like to put it under my eyes and underneath the blush slash contour. I really like that chiseled kind of face look, so I really like to put it under my blush and contour. Then I'm just going to go ahead and just blend it out, and the face just, I don't know, it just looks so good, like all the products together. I feel like I was having a good skin day too, so everything just looks really good. For powder, I'm taking the Collab powder to set my face. Then I'm going to go in with the Rare Beauty Luminous Blush in Joy just to add a little bit of luminosity to my face. I was debating whether I wanted to keep it matte or not, but I decided to add just a little tiny bit of glow. Then I'm taking that liner and just tight lining my waterline. Then going back in with the eyeshadow from the palette to smoke out the bottom lash line. Then I'm gonna go ahead and just curl my lashes. You can decide here if you want to do falsies or not. Lately, I haven't been doing that. I just been putting on mascara and it works. I use the Fan Fest by Benefit. Then for lips, I'm taking the Makeup Forever lip liner in 606. And then I'm going in with like my favorite oil, and that Chic by NYX Cosmetics. And this is the finished fall look. Thank you guys for watching, and I see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.